Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best outdoor kitchen prep table on the market, the LEETOLLA stainless steel outdoor grill cart. Whether you're a passionate griller, a pizza oven enthusiast, or simply love hosting backyard cookouts, this heavy-duty 3-tier barbecue prep table is designed to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Right off the bat, the first thing you'll notice is the professional-grade 304 stainless steel construction. This isn't just any metal cart. It features a thick 1.2 mm stainless steel top with reinforced welded joints, making it incredibly durable and resistant to rust, heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and corrosion. So, if you're cooking outdoors and worried about the elements, this cart is built to withstand the toughest weather conditions while maintaining its sleek and modern look. The cart measures 30 inches deep by 18.9 inches wide and stands 30 inches tall, giving you a generous workspace of 567 square inches on the main surface. This ample space is perfect for prepping food, placing your pizza oven, griddle, or other cooking appliances. But what really sets this table apart is the smart tiered shelf design. It comes with 2 additional spacious shelves, each able to hold up to 200 pounds. So you get plenty of room to store your utensils, condiments, and other barbecue essentials without cluttering the main prep area. Moving this grill cart around is a breeze thanks to its 2 large directional wheels combined with 2 feet for stability. The side handlebar not only helps you easily maneuver the cart wherever you need it but also doubles as a handy spot to hang towels, aprons, or cleaning cloths, keeping your workspace organized and efficient. For even more convenience, there are 6 tool hooks right within arm's reach to hang your cooking utensils so you can keep them clean and accessible at all times. The stainless steel tabletop is food grade, making it easy to clean and maintain. You can simply wipe it down with a damp cloth after your cooking session, and it will be ready for the next one. The carbon steel mesh plate design of the shelves is also thoughtfully engineered to prevent dust and water buildup, ensuring that your prep space stays hygienic and easy to maintain. One of the standout features is the built-in tank mount-up system designed to securely hold gas cylinders. This makes the cart a perfect companion for portable grills, griddles, and pizza ovens, adding another layer of functionality and safety to your outdoor cooking setup. Assembly is straightforward with pre-drilled holes and numbered parts, allowing you to set up the cart in about 15 minutes. This ease of assembly is a big plus for anyone looking to get their outdoor kitchen up and running quickly without a complicated process. Additionally, the LEETOLLA outdoor grill cart comes with a 12-month warranty and lifetime customer support, offering peace of mind with your purchase. In summary, the LEETOLLA stainless steel outdoor grill cart combines durability, ample storage, and smart design to give you a versatile and reliable prep station for all your outdoor cooking needs. Its professional-grade materials, large working surface, multiple shelves, and convenient mobility make it a perfect addition to any patio, backyard, or outdoor kitchen setup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor cooking experience, this grill cart is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.